So our next step here, we're going to go ahead and we're going to build an H-bar for this derby car. And that'll help with the roll cage and if there's a really side hard impact. We'll go ahead and show you a basic design of how it's going to look, and then we'll show you what we're cutting it out of. So just kind of a rough idea, this is the basic shape that it's going to be. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to use this material here. So this here, we got 1/4 inch wall 2 by 3 tube steel, and that's what we're going to end up using to make this H-bar. Nine and 3/4. Huh?
No, it's 9.75.
What?
It's 9.75.
Oh, okay. All right. So then 19 and a half plus 9 and 3/4. What is that? 9 and 9 is 8, right? 18 should be 28. 28 and what? And that's 3/4 and a half. 29 and 4. I can do math all. Okay, so we just got done drawing our holes for our awl thread to go through this chunk of iron. This is going to be the top of our cage, and that is going to bolt to the roof of the car. So, yeah, now we're just going to let Zach play with a little plas cutter here and cut them holes out.
What?
Is that 16?
Yeah. Thought you would have measured that already.
I've been working up to it.
What the f, man? Slacking on your job.
You see you looking for a damn hammer?
No?
Well, that's what I'm doing.
Thought you were just walking in circles. Are you sure you're not walking in circles just for fun?
Just for funsies.
Okay.
I got the cage kind of sitting where we want, and it's kind of how it's going to fit in here. Might do a little bit of adjusting. Gotta build some brackets for the bottom here, so we can get that bolted up to the bottom of the floor here, and then we'll go ahead and we'll bolt it up top here using them holes right there. So let's check it out. But now we're going to drill out holes in the floorboard here for these tabs that we installed. I'm going to start off with this long 1/8 inch drill bit, and then we're going to move over to this unibit to drill out for our 1-inch all thread. So let's get these holes drilled. Well, I finally got the cage all mounted up. Now the biggest thing is we got to fill in this big hole here where a seat used to be. I usually try to leave the factory seats in, but this one was a little haggard, so luckily I've got a stockpile of some buckets. So we'll take a cruise and see what we can find. Well, there we go. Couple of buckets right in here. Pull them out and see if one of them will work. Well, we got that seat mounted up in here. Had to do a little bit of modifications to the floor pan here just to get it to sit right. Whether or not she's sitting in there, she should work good. So we'll go ahead and finish her off here, and we'll see you next time.